give them something to see. I can't hold it back. I can't hold it back, no. Come on, check me out now.
Hi all, it's Shirley Guiducci with lifestyleover50.com. I'm super excited and I want to share this with you guys because over our 50s, it's absolutely about making some healthier choices along the way. Of course, before then, but for sure, as we reach our 50s and 60s and so forth. So I'm super excited because I love Amazon. I just got my delivery, so I want to share it with you. I love fried foods, but I do know that that's not really a healthy choice. So I went and bought, it is the Emeril Lagasse 360 Power Pro, something like that. You can see it on the box. It's an air fryer. Not only is it an air fryer, it's also a dehydrator. So I'm excited. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. So bear with me. Hopefully I have the strength to get it out. This actually may end up comical, hopefully not, or maybe so. So our rack, and can take out the top here. Important cord. And because I am little, I'm gonna turn it on its side. Oh, okay, cool. I'm excited. Let's pop this baby out. There's some more racks and stuff in the bottom. I'm gonna move this aside here for now, at least show you the main thing here. We'll unveil the plastic. Okay, Amazon.com is absolutely amazing how much you can get pretty much anything on there. It's my favorite place. I love shopping online. I love to be able to get stuff delivered to my door. I'm an Amazon Prime member, so I have the ability to get most stuff in 2 days, some things same day, which is crazy, crazy awesome, and or a day. You know, it's an awesome place to shop, in my humble opinion. You got to shop around because sometimes you could be paying more. So you got to be a little smart and a little savvy. So here it is. I am super excited. I'm going to be able to make fried food. So we, Dale and I, my husband, we don't eat meat anymore. It's all about the health aspect, but we'll save that for another topic. But I do love fried food. So I'm excited to be able to make like sweet potato fries, or we have a recipe on our website with zucchini chips, because this is not only an air fryer, it's also a dehydrator. So I'm gonna put fruits in there to dehydrate, because think about when we buy things at the local grocery stores or even on Amazon, if we're not paying attention to the ingredients, which we should, you'll notice that a lot of the dried fruits have a tremendous amount of sugar added, and too much sugar is just not good for us. So this is going to be the natural sugar of the fruits. I'm excited to do mango first. That's what I'm going to try. I'm going to do the sweet potato fries first. So pretty awesome machine here. Obviously I got the racks. There's multiple racks, and it also even does toast. So we got an air fryer to cook stuff. We can make that fried. What's it say on the box? It says deep fried taste without the added calories. That's really cool. So this is it, my Emeril Lagasse air fryer and dehydrator. Excited to do some cooking today, especially that fruit and those sweet potato fries. This is Shirley Guiducci coming to you with lifestyleover50.com. Thanks, guys.
Can't hold it back.